Angels, how are you? Welcome back to the Secrets Tarot SS channel. And today we are going to do is next 48 hours for star signs Scorpio, Sagittarius, Taurus, and so on. So I've already shuffled the cards. For first card we will be doing is Scorpio. Angels, please tell us how are the next 48 hours for Scorpio people. So friends, the card which is come is the Moon reverse. So when it's upright, it is like there are some hidden secrets. जब ये upright होता है तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि कुछ hidden secrets है which you don't know, you know, or maybe you are connected to some Piscean or something kind of. Abhi now it's come reverse. So it may be that there are some hidden secrets or some facts which you have been ignoring. Your inner voice, जो like you know कुछ hidden things है आपके मन में, या the same cycle is repeating in your life, same patterns, and you know it is time the doors are opening for you. तो आपको आपके जो मन के you know you have to allow the magic to flow in, the magic to happen, you know, the things which have been bothering you from so many days, like आप परेशान हो रहे हो कोई चीज के वजह से, एंड यू नो सो now is the time ki you have to pay attention to your fears or the cycles which is again and again the same cycle repetitive is happening in your life, and you know you have to just accept the magic to happen. So next 48 hours you will be in this kind of energy, you know, your hidden matlab it can be like your little insomnia kind of thing, you know, little you'll be in duvida kind of thing you will be. So the next star sign we are doing is Taurus. Angels, spirit guides, please tell us how are the next 48 hours for Taurus. So for Taurus, the card which is come is Six of Cups. Six of Cups is a childish kind of energy. You will be surrounded, maybe you are spending some time with kids. It's a happy kind of card, very happy go. And you maybe you will be you will act like childish kind of, and you know youth kind of period, and you will be healing from your past pains. This is a healing time for you. So next 48 hours you will be in this child, you know, happy go mood, and you will be lively kind of, you know, playful, childful kind of person you will be, and you will allow yourself to heal from the past things. Maybe you will be thinking about some happy moments of your past, you know, maybe childhood, your childhood friends. Maybe some childhood friends is also missing you. He'll be phoning you, or you know the time spent with your family, brother, sister, you know, kind of. So for next 48 hours you'll be in those memories, and maybe with your kids, or you know some kids around, you'll be spending some time. So this is for Taurus, how you will be in this energy for next 48 hours. This is a very happy go card when this card comes in any deck. Now we'll be doing is for Sagittarius. As you already know, friends, that I'm also Sagittarius, so I'll respect. Angels, please tell me how are the next 48 hours for Sagittarius. Angels, please tell me how are the next 48 hours for Sagittarius. So for Sagittarius, the card that is come 3 star signs. Other star Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Good night.